Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Out of Best. Today I am showing you how to make the perfect toast using the Bella 2 Slice Slim Toaster. This toaster is compact, stylish and super easy to use. So let's get started. First plug in your Bella toaster. Now it comes with different browning levels. So whether you like your toast light and crispy or dark and crunchy, there is a setting for you. I personally prefer a medium golden brown, so I'll set it to level 3. Now grab your favorite bread and place it in the slots. This toaster can handle standard sized bread, bagels, and even some artisan slices. Once your bread is in, push down the lever. The indicator light will turn on, letting you know it's working. It's magic. The toaster will automatically pop up when the bread is done. And there you have it. If it's not toasted enough for your liking, you can pop it back in for a few more seconds. But trust me, the Bella toaster gets it right almost every time. Now it's time to add your favorite toppings: butter, peanut butter, jam, avocado, you name it. Look at that, a perfect crunch. Who doesn't love a good slice of toast? Okay, now a quick tip. Don't forget to clean your toaster. The Bella 2 Slice Slim Toaster has a removable crumb tray, making cleanup super easy. Just slide it out, dump the crumbs, and you are done. And its slim design makes it easy to store even in small kitchens. And that's how you make the perfect toast with the Bella 2 Slice Slim Toaster. Simple, quick, and delicious. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and reviews. See you next time.